Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be day 13 of 15 days to lose belly fat workout challenge. For reference, I am 4.5 months postpartum, so if you're a postpartum mom like me, you can totally do this workout, but make sure that you do not have ab separation or diastasis recti. So today's workout are going to be crunch variation. So we are going to do 160 crunches in total. And before we get started, please make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you like watching my videos, and turn on the notification so that you are notified every single time I upload a video. Also follow me on Instagram at @Ann_Marie_Tom. And let's get on to that. We're going to come to a squat position against the wall like this. Core nice and engaged, back spine is straight, and we are going to lift our leg up. 20 repetitions. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down the other way. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So next up, we are going to stabilize one leg, whichever leg that you are deciding to do first. Lift that leg up, stabilize with the other leg. Up, side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Do the repeat of the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We burned our legs so much, we are going to get on the floor and we are going to do some crunch with ankle taps. So for this, you are going to lay down position like this. Tap. Up. Tap the opposite ankle. 3, 4, 5. We're going to do 15 more. 'Alright, so that's done, and we are going to do 20 frog crunches. We are going to do a froggy position like this, or a butterfly position, and then we are going to crunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do 15 more of this. 6, is get and down to downward facing dog position like this. So I feel like that. 2. Next leg. 3, 4. Switch. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you're coming to a tabletop position like this, and we are going to do 40 tabletop pulses. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're not resting your shoulder down. You are lifting your chest and shoulder off the ground the entire time. 20, we're halfway. 20 more to go. Sides. Okay guys, so that's it. Today's workout is complete. We did 160 crunches, believe it or not, but didn't feel like 160 crunches though. Did you? Comment down below. So we are gonna see you guys tomorrow with another awesome workout. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Also follow me on Instagram at _Maria_town. See you tomorrow. Bye.